out a massacre in Second World War with estimates of total deaths ranging from 70 million to 85 million. And what happening to Muslims in India and Burma is beyond imagination. Is it the Muslims who are the terrorists?
Honorable teacher, respected director, dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sher Mohammed. I belong to Kishanganj city of Bihar in India. I am so glad to get an opportunity to deliver this speech. I thank you so much that you gave me this golden chance to speak on an important topic. Islamophobia, the biggest conspiracy by anti-Islam. There is the paucity of time, but I will strive my level best, make it short, but be all ears and listen to me carefully. Dear friends, the fear from Muslims is called Islamophobia. The Islamophobia term is purposely coined in order to create hatred towards the religion of Islam and Muslims in the name of fear. But actually, it has resulted from their narrow-mindedness and prejudice. If it is asked why is Islamophobia, the answer will come. The 9/11 attack on the US, which resulted in almost 3,000 deaths, is the reason behind Islamophobia. And Jaish Muhammad, Al-Qaeda, Taliban often attack here and there. Although Islam unequivocally rejects it and condemns hardly such attacks, then why do you mix the truth with falsehood? Then everyone has a right to say that the Hindu religion is an adulterous religion because of two Rams. Who? Asaram and Ramaji. Both of them are Hindu, and it has been officially proved that they raped. Am I right or not? What about you? Beware, a person's action and reactions don't mean Islam. So please never term Islam as a religion of terror on the basis of some intransigent people's actions. It is not criterion to call as a religion of terror. If the public actions are criterion to judge terrorism of any religion, then Christianity, Buddhism, Judaism and Hinduism are the biggest religions of terror in this world. Why? Because of Christians, the total number of civil and military casualties in First World War were approximately 40 million. And another Orthodox Christian, Hitler, carried out a massacre in Second World War with estimates of total deaths ranging from 70 million to 85 million. As you know very well that a Christian recently entered a mosque in New Zealand and shot 50 Muslims. It seemed as if he was playing the game on his mobile. What is this? Is it not terrorism of Christianity? Jews have been inflicting the Muslims with the dreadful torment in Syria, slaying the children like Pharaoh for 5 decades. And what happening to Muslims in India and Burma is beyond imagination. They barge into the Muslim houses and attack them with sticks and rods and kill the children in front of the parents and the parents in front of the children and rape the daughters in front of their brothers and parents. Is it the Muslims who are the terrorists? It is Islam that teaches the lesson of terrorism. But tell me, what are these by them? Are these not acts of the terrorism of the Christianity, Judaism, Buddhism and Hinduism? Stop helping the conspiracies against Islam and Muslims. We are well aware of your conspiracies and hypocrisies because Almighty Creator of all creations discloses
exposed and exposed your hypocrisies 1400 years ago and said in Holy Quran in chapter number 2 and verse number 11 to 12 وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ قَالُوا إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُصْلِحُونَ. When it is said to them, don't cause the turmoil on the earth, they say we are only peacemakers. أَلَا إِنَّهُمْ هُمُ الْمُفْسِدُونَ. Pay heed, it is they who are the mischievous and terrorists, but they don't have any sense. They don't have any understanding. يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون. They wish to deceive Allah and believers, but in fact they deceive none except themselves, but they don't have any understanding. Dear friends, that's all from me. Thanks for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.